Technology fans, Bill here. DJI Spark 2, I'll have information on that coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Our friend OsitaLV has been incredibly busy lately. It seems almost daily he's putting out information on Twitter. First of all, had a lot of inquiries as to who is OsitaLV or what does he look like. And he did reveal some information regarding himself. He actually had a video out there, and I'll put this link to his Twitter account to the video so you can take a look at it for yourself. But also you got to see who he was, and here's a screenshot of his picture. I'll throw that up there right now. He's 30 years old and he's single, and he put out some a little bit more personal information, so I'll let you read that on Twitter. The big news is he talked about the DJI Spark 2, and he put out several tweets today. So I'm going to go through these and I'll get them up on the screen for you so you can read them as well. The first one was something new about Spark. Just received a message, said the price of the Spark and Spark Fly More combo will be 15% off permanently effective February 23rd. It means the next generation of Spark is coming. Well, that's exciting news because there has been absolutely no talk, nothing regarding the Spark, and here it is. It's just coming out now. Now he also has about 10 bullet points that I'm going to go over now, and we'll throw the first set up on the screen. Since the Spark got a discount, let me guess what Spark 2 will be like. 1, same design as original Spark, a few improvements added on. 2, camera updated to 4K 30 feet per second and 1080p 60 feet per second with improved image quality, no raw still image shooting. Okay. Number 3, radio transmission is Wi-Fi as usual. Number 4, some features come from Mavic Air such as Asteroid, Boomerang, and new gesture controls. Number 5, cell phone remote controller connection is a USB cable instead of wireless. Number 6, rear obstacle avoidance. Number 7, I won't buy it, but I don't mind if DJI send it to me as a gift. Number 8, price of Spark 2 could be $399 or $499 USD, less than $599 USD. Number 9, maybe an internal storage equipped. And number 10, found some grammar issues on my last 2 tweets. Never mind if you can understand it. So again, you know, there's some translation issues going on here, as I've alluded to in some of the previous videos. This is exciting news. And it definitely sounds like an upgrade for those of you who have the first Spark. It really does, you know, and again, you know, we were all thinking that the Mavic Air was like Spark 2. Well, there is really going to be a Spark 2, and it really sounds interesting, especially regarding the price point, number 1. Number 2, having the cable connection from the remote to your iPad. I think that's fantastic because, you know, that was a pain point for a lot of people. A lot of people, you know, that connection was not very reliable. So that's a good thing to have that cable there. The other thing he talks about, rear obstacle avoidance. On a drone with that kind of price point, that's fantastic. That's excellent news. They still have not confirmed on the Mavic Pro 2 whether or not it's going to have that rear obstacle avoidance, but they have here with the Spark 2, so I think that's absolutely fantastic news. You know, the price point, again, that is great news. You know, he's talking, you know, $399 or $499 USD. That's very reasonable, and of course the camera is now 4K 30 feet per second. I think that's fantastic too. So you know, it's just it's going to be a good seller for them. I mean, it really is definitely a step up, and it's between both between the Spark now and between the Mavic Air. You know, the Mavic Air has a higher price point, and of course, you know, you're getting some other things with the Mavic Air that you're not getting with the Spark 2. So, you know, again, this is some exciting news because there's absolutely nothing on the horizon. There's been absolutely nothing made mention of this, and then today he comes out with these tweets. So thank you all so much who have joined lately on Bill the Drone Reviewer. We thank you so much for subscribing. You guys drive me to do this content. Thank you for your wonderful, thoughtful comments out there. Please keep them coming. My question of the day for you, what I would like to hear, what do you think of the Spark 2's price point being $399 or $499 USD? Please give me a comment down in the comment section below. You guys have done very well with the Mavic Pro 2 comments, so I'd really like to hear your thoughts and your input on this. I think that would be fantastic. Please make sure you hit the like button, and again, do share and tell others about this channel, and subscribe if you haven't too already. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do daily updates on the drone industry. Any drone-related news will be out there. Of course, any DJI news will always be out there. Also, my blog where I post all of that information, plus all the videos that we do get out there as well, so people can get to know about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy flying.